First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 58 daily score booster questions, starting with simplifications. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's get started into the topic. First question, 65% of 450. I see percentage 5 multiple. No, it is not like that. So 65 into 45 divided by 10. This will be plus x divided by 10 into 36 equals to 3897 divided by 10. So all 10s are cancelled. Next 65 into 45 times. So what we do is let's make this as 50 minus 5. So 65 5 times will be 5 zeros 30 and 2 30 2 3250 minus 325. We get 5 2 and 9 2925. For this one 65 into 45 we get to 2925. This is plus 36x equals to 3897. So what we have is 36x equals to, subtracting these two we get 7 minus 5 we get 2, 9 minus 2 7, and 38 minus 29 which will be 972. 36 let's make this with 4 table for 9 times 4 2 times for 4 times and 3 times. So we have 9 2 times 18. 18 means we have 63 7 times. So answer for this one is 27. Option B is our answer. Next, second question. This is x power 1 by 2 divided by 2 power 4 into this is 8 into 8 into 8. 2 power 4 means 2 square whole power 4. 2 square is nothing but 4. So we have 4 square. So what it means is 4 into 4. Here 4 2 times 4 2 times 4 equals to 288. 4 7 times is 28 and 4 2 times is 28. 8 9 times. So root over x equals to 9. So x value equals to, this root goes this side with the square, 9 square which is 81. So answer is 81. Option C is our answer. Next, 52% of 500. Percentage and 5 double zeros are cancelled. 52 into 5 times. 5 2 times is 10. 5 times 25, 26, 260 into, this is 25 divided by 1000 of x equals to 26. 26 10 times 0 0 cancel, 25 4 times. So x value is 4. Option B is our answer. Next, fourth question. 4 power 3 root over 4 means 2 cube which is 8 into, this is 4 power 4. So 4 power 4 means we write like this, and divided by 8 square means 8 into 8. This 8 and this 8 cancels. What we need to find is 2 power x value. Here 4 2 times 2 2 times. This is 2 square. This is 2 square and this is 1 2. Mattam total 5 squares. 5 2 5 2s. So the x value which is 5. Option B is our answer. Next, here we have 4 divided by 3 of 39. 3 13 times of 4 which is 52. So answer for this one is 52. 52 plus 2 into 5. 2 times is 10 and 47 means 9 times 45, and we left with 20 means 5 4 times. So this will be into 2 times means 29.4 times 0.8, and this is 18 5 58.8. 52 plus 58.8 means 110.8 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, we are going to see quadratic equations. Quadratic equations, first question 75. 75 means 15 5 times. Sum of these two we get 20. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Next, here first the signs of the roots are plus and minus means minus and plus all the roots. 70 means 14 5 times. So 14 and 5, subtracting those two we get the value of 9. So these are the roots. Bases are equal, so we need to compare. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Okay, next one, 55. So 11 5 times is 55. Sum of these two we get 16. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Here plus minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. 60 means 10 6 times is 60, and sum of those two we get 16. Bases are equal, so we comparing these two we get the 10 is in between these two numbers, so x is greater than y and x is lesser than y comes, so there is no relation between these two equations. Next one, 152. This is 19 8 times is 152. This is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Next, 120. 15 8 times is 120. Plus and minus means minus and plus are the roots. Bases are equal, so we are comparing, so x is greater than or equals to y is our answer. Next, fourth one, 150. 15 10 times. We got 25. Minus and plus means both the signs are in positive. Here 80. 10 8 times. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, x is greater than or equals to y is the answer. Next, here we have 95. 95 means 19 5 times is 95. Difference between these two we get 14. Plus and minus means both the roots are in, first root is negative and second root is in positive. Here 60 means 10 6 times. Sum of these two we get 16. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Okay, now we are going to see wrong number series. First question, in this question it looks like first starting with this is into 2 times, which will be 30, and 2.5 times, which will be 37.5 plus 1, and here it is into 38 becomes 116 means into 3 times, which will be 15, and 3 8 times 24 25, 3 times 10 11 115.5 plus 1. So 2.5 plus 1 into 3 plus 1, so it must be into 2 plus 1, 8 2 times 16 plus 1, which is 17, so it must be the wrong one. So the next one must be into 1.5 times plus 1, so 6 plus 1 7 7 2 times, so 14 plus 1 15, so this is our wrong number. Next, second question. In this question we see the differences. Here the difference between these two is 8 and 1 2 1 8. Here the difference between these two is 3 23 123. Here we see the difference of 5 3 plus 3 6. Okay, here we see the difference of 6 26. Here we see a difference of 9. So it is 2 cube plus 1. This is 3 cube minus 1. This is 4 cube plus 1. This number must be 5 cube minus 1, which is 124, not 123. And this must be 6 cube plus 1, which is 217, not 218. So in between these two, this is our wrong number. Okay, next, third question. We see the differences between these two is 16. Here the difference between these two is 6 and 36. Okay, here we see the difference of 4 3 plus 3 64. Here we see the difference of 1 0 1. Here we see the difference of 3 4 1. So this is 4 square 6 square 8 square, so it must be 10 square, which is 100, and this must be 12 square, which is 144. In between these two, this is our wrong number. Next one, fourth question. Here the difference between these two is 161. Here the difference between these two, this is plus and this is plus of 363. Here the difference between these two is 565. So here the must be the difference of 67. It becomes 7, and this is also true. Here it must be 69. 5 plus 9, which will not be the 2, so this is a wrong number. Okay, next, fifth question. I know these two as into 6 times 78. 78 plus 1. It is also into 6 times plus 1. Let's see this one into 6 times. 9 6 times 54, and this is 7 times is 7 6 times 42 47 plus 1. So it must be into 6 plus 1. 7 6 times is 5 6 times is 30 plus 1. So unit digit must be 1, not 0. So this is a wrong number. Okay, now we are going to see missing number series. Missing number series, first question. Here it is clear that 205 becomes 135, means it must be into 1/3 times 3. 13 times is 39, and 55 times means 135. Okay, we get 135 by multiplying it with 1/3. Here it must be, first we do divided by 3, 3 4 times, and 5 times into 2, so 2/3 times. So it must be into 3/3, it must be into 4/3, and it must be into 5/3. 340 times 45 times is 200. Okay, it must be into 1 times. The answer for this one is 90. 34 times is 120. So answer is 90. Option C is our answer. Next, here what we see is 4 plus 27, which is 31. Here we see a difference of 7 and 37. Here we see a difference of 7 and 47. These looks like prime numbers. This is the prime number of 37, means 41 and 43 are the next prime numbers. So 205 plus 43, which will be 245. So answer is 205. 205 is our answer. Option D is our answer. Next, here we see this is into 2 times 30 minus 3. This is into 3 times, which is 121 and 681 minus 4. So into 3 minus 4. So it looks a pattern like into 4 minus 5. Next one into 5 minus 6. This must be into 6 minus 7. So 9 6 times 54. 54 minus 7, we get a 7 at the unit digit. So it must be 77 4 times. 7 4 times is 28. 28 and into 11 times means sum of these two 308. 308 minus 5, which is 303, is the answer for this one. 305 times 5 times 5 at the unit digit, and 5 minus 6, we get a unit digit 9. So 303 is our answer. Option A is our answer. Next, fourth question. In this we see the differences of 4 plus 17, which is 21. Here we see the difference of 3 plus 6, 26. Here we see a difference of 3 and 33. Here the difference is 2 and 42. So here we see a double difference of 5. Here we see double difference of 4 plus 3 7. Here we see a difference of 9. So it must be the 11, which is 353. Difference between these two is 53, means 11 6 7 and 271 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Next, fifth question. Here it is into half times, which will be 144 minus plus 0.5. It is into 1 times plus 1. So it must be into 1.5 times plus 1.5. It must be into 2 times plus 2. It must be into 2.5 times plus 2.5. So let's see this one. 145.5 into 1 times is 145.5. Half times means divided by 2 with this one. 2 7 times is 14. 2 2 times and 2 7 times and 5 times. Sum of these two we get a 5 2 and 8 11 218.25 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 means we get 219.75. 219.75 is our answer. Option A is our answer. 219.75 2 times we get 439.5. 439.5 plus 2 we get 441.5. So this is our answer. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. For inequalities, the concept we use here is the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, it means the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. Let's see the conclusions directly to understand. The flow from R to W. From R we can able to reach to L and P. From P we can able to reach to V and W. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from N to K with everywhere equals to. From N we can reach to W, but we cannot able to reach to K. So this case fails. Second conclusion will be false. Next, second question, the flow from 18 to 10. From 18 there is no flow here. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from 10 to 14. From 10 we can able to reach to 8 12, but cannot able to reach to 14. So second conclusion is also false. Next, third question, first conclusion, the flow from 9 to 6. From 9 we can able to reach to up to F, but cannot able to reach to 6. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from 3 to 18. From 3 we can able to reach to 18. Second conclusion is true. Fourth question, the flow from 10 to 60. From 10 we can reach to 35. From 35 we can able to reach to 60. First conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from 25 to 55. From 25 we can able to reach to 35. From 35 we can able to reach to 55. So second conclusion is also true. Fifth conclusion, the flow from W to L. From W we can reach to D and E. From E we cannot able to reach to L. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from Y to E. From Y we can reach to X, and from X we can reach to E. So second conclusion is true. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Okay, syllogisms. First question, at most soil is sand, means maximum soil is sand. Maximum means not 100%, it is some. So some soil is sand. Next, all sand is rock. Only rock is pebble. So pebble is inside rock and doesn't share with anything except rock. Let's see conclusion. Some sand is not a pebble. Here we see not. So we check all sand can be pebble. All sand can place inside pebble. No, it is not possible because of this only case. So first case, all case fails. All case fails means some not case will be true. Okay, next, all sand is pebble. All sand is inside pebble. It is a direct conclusion, and we don't have that meaning. So second conclusion is false. Next, second question, only a few semolina is maida. So only a few, S is M. Some maida is not a corn flour. Some part of maida is not a corn flour. Only a few porridge is corn flour. Okay, let's see conclusions that are asked. Some semolina is not a corn flour. We see not here. So we check all semolina can be corn flour. All semolina can be placed inside corn flour. As it is possible. All case possible means some not case will be false. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, all porridge being corn flour is a possibility. All porridge can be placed inside corn flour. It is not possible because of this part. So second conclusion is false. Next, we are going to see third question. At least pink is blue. At least means minimum pink is blue. Minimum means so some pink is blue. No, gray is blue. All blue is purple. Okay, let's see conclusions. All pink. Wait a second, one more statement there. All violet is purple. So violet is inside purple. Conclusions. All pink can be gray. All pink can be placed inside gray. It is not possible because of sharing with B. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. All purple being pink is a possibility. All purple can be placed inside pink. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So second conclusion is true. Next, fourth question. Wait a second. Here the fourth question. Some spoon is fork. Some spoon is fork. Only fork is a knife. So knife is inside a fork and doesn't share with anything except a fork. No plate is spoon. No plate is spoon. Let's see conclusions. Some knife can be plate. Talking about knife and plate. Knife only shares with the fork. So this conclusion, first one will be false. Second conclusion. Some fork is not plate. We see not here. So we check all fork can be plate. All fork can place inside plate. It is not possible because of this K shares only with the F. So all case fails means some not case will be true. Next, fifth question. Only a few shampoos is conditioner. Some conditioner is face wash. Only face wash is soap. So soap is inside a face wash and doesn't share with anything except a face wash. This is a shampoo. Let's see conclusions. Some shampoo is face wash. Some part of a shampoo is sharing with the face wash. No. First conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. No conditioner is soap. We check some conditioner can be soap. Some conditioner, some part of conditioner can share with the soap. It is not possible because soap doesn't share with anything except face wash. So some case fails means no case will be true. Okay. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. Let's see this one. Let's read the statements. Some people are living on different floors of a four-story building where the lowermost floor is numbered as 1 and one above the other is 2, number 2 and so on till the topmost floor is 4. Note each floor has two flats A and B. A is exactly west of B. So let's note the puzzle as 4, 3, 2, 1. We take only two possibilities for this one. Okay, A and B here. In this case, A and B here. Okay, now we need to note the statements. Okay, these are all statements. Raman lives to the west of Neetu. Raman lives to the west of Neetu means Raman lives in this floor, this flat, and Neetu lives in this flat, and both lives in the same floor. Both lives on same floor. Okay. Next statement is neither Arjun nor Meena lives in the same flat of Kiran. So if we have Kiran here, neither Arjun nor K and Meena does not be in the same flats. Does not be in the same flats. Okay, this is how we represent it. Next, Tillu lives in flat of an even numbered floor. Flat A of an even numbered floor. So Tillu lives in flat A of even numbered floor. So this is one possibility, or else this is one possibility. So we have two possibilities for the place of T. Next, Pappu lives immediately below Tillu. So Pappu's place must be in this floor. So Pappu must be place of in this floor. Okay. Next said that as many floors above Raman as below Kiran. Above R is same as below K. No one lives to the east of Pappu. No one lives to the east of Pappu means this is the place for Pappu. In this case, this is the place for Pappu. Okay. R and N place must be in this type. Okay, next one is only one floor between Pappu and Neetu. So one floor between Pappu and Neetu means Neetu must be in this floor. In this case, in this floor. So we have Neetu must be in this flat. So this is the place for N and this is the place for N. So if we have N, we already see that R and N are in same flats, same floor. So this is place for R. If we got R, we can able to find the value of place for K. It is above only one. So below only one means this is the place for K. In this case, it is in the last. So this is in the place of this is the place for K, Kiran. Okay, this is also got. This is completed. This is completed. Now Arjun, wait a second, what we left in the statements is Arjun neither lives on the same floor of Arun nor above Meena. Arjun neither lives on the same floor of Arun. So Arjun and Arun does not be in the same floor. Arjun nor lives above Meena means lives below Meena. Okay, this is the last statement. Here we have K. K is here means K and Arjun does not be in same flat. So Arjun must be in these floors. And it is said that Arjun and Arun does not be adjacent. There is only one place for Arun. This is Arun. Arun and Arjun does not be in the same flat. Means Arjun's place is here. We have a statement that Arjun is below Meena. So in this case, Meena comes below Arjun. So this case fails. In this case, we have Kiran here. So we can able to place Arjun here. If Arjun here, Arjun means this one. K and Meena does not be in same flat. So this is the place for Meena. So if it is the place for Meena, we satisfied this one. Meena and Arjun are in this form. Okay. So only left with Arun. So this is the place for Arun. So this is the puzzle of our question. This is the solution of our question. Let's see the questions that are asked in this puzzle. The first question: who lives among the following person lives on the first floor? Who among the lives on the first floor? First floor, Arjun and P means Pappu. So in the options, there is only option C. Arjun is our answer. So answer first one is C. Next, second question. Who among the following person lives in the same type of flat as Tillu? Same type of flat as of Tillu. So we need to check flat A. Meena. Okay. Kiran. No. Raman. Yes. So Meena and Raman, 1 and 3, both 1 and 3 is our answer. Option A, option E is our answer. Only 1 and 3. Next, third question. What is the position of Raman with respect to Arjun? Position of Raman with respect to Arjun means, let's see the options. 2 floors above, same flat. Yes, 2 floors above and same flat. So first one option A is our answer. Next, fourth question. If the age of the all sorry if the age of all is a multiple of the floor number, So multiple of floor number in which they are living. Then which of the following may be the age of 16? So talking about 16, 16 is the factors of 4 and 2. So the peoples are these four. Options given is Meena and Kiran S. Neetu no. So 1 and 2 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, fifth one. If Arun vacates his flat, flat, then which of the following flat and floor is vacant? Fourth floor, flat B. Flat B, fourth floor. Option D is our answer. Okay. By this, we have completed today's daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.